Anna's looking lovely tonight. Today has been such a wonderful day. Getting to see my best friend marry his best friend. I can't wait to watch you both celebrate on that dance floor tonight. Let's get our groove on. That's how the young kids say it these days, right? Love you both, guys. Cheers.
Anna, today is the day. Hope you're not stressing out too much and just having fun with everyone in your suite.
I cannot believe our day is here. I have been thinking about this day my whole life and who the lucky guy would be.
I, Peter, take you, Anna,
I, Peter, take you, Anna,
to be my wedded wife,
to be my wedded wife,
to have and to hold,
To have and to hold
from this day forward,
from this day forward,
for better, for worse,
for better, for worse,
for richer, for poorer,
for richer, for poor,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
to love and to cherish,
to love and to cherish,
as long as we both shall live.
as long as we both shall live.
I will be so proud to call you my wife. You have made me a better person, and you push me to be better every day, whether I want to be or not. I'll see you at the altar, and you betcha that I'm saying I do. Love you so much and can't wait to see you, Peter.
Mitchell, the bride's brother, always used to joke that Anna's future husband would show up in a Toyota Tacoma. So when Peter pulled up in his Toyota Corolla, we were all a little bit leery about Peter.
By virtue of the authority vested in me under the laws of our beautiful state of Tennessee, I now have the privilege to pronounce you husband and wife. Peter, you may kiss your bride. Ladies and gentlemen, will you please stand with me as I have the privilege to introduce you for the very first time as husband and wife, Mr. and Mrs. Eidsmoe. Let's hear it for them.